Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers White Rock local and long distance movers near me. If you're ready to find and hire a cheap White Rock moving company, 3 Movers is the option for you. We specialize in local and long distance moving services. Whether you're moving across the country or just one neighborhood over, we can help. Our team can help you move your home, business, furniture, equipment, dorm room, or anything else. You can enjoy plenty of options with our long-distance moving services, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you need to move 100 miles away or further, you need our long-distance moving services. Our team will provide everything you need to make moving super easy. We want to make sure you get the best possible move when relocating. There are plenty of Canada moving companies to help you with your local move. However, if you choose the wrong team, it might not save you much time or energy. It can actually become more annoying if you choose poor local movers. With 3 Movers, you get professional local movers ready to help you streamline the entire process. We know how to make sure you get the services you need to move faster and easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our White Rock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.